Is your 2019 Honda Civic's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are the interior motion sensor and the hood switch. The interior sensor can be overly sensitive, triggered by minor vibrations or electromagnetic interference. The hood switch might be misaligned or corroded, falsely signaling that the hood is open. Start by checking if the hood is securely closed. Next, use the Honda Link app to run self-tests for the interior motion sensor and hood switch. A low-car battery below 12.4 volts can cause false alarms, so test your battery's voltage. If you can't use the app, visually inspect the hood switch for damage or corrosion. For a faulty hood switch, clean the contacts with contact cleaner and apply dielectric grease to prevent corrosion and ensure proper connection. If the interior sensor is too sensitive, consider temporarily disabling it by removing its fuse. Consult your owner's manual for the exact location in the fuse box. To reset the alarm system, try cycling the ignition, pressing the panic button on your key fob, and then pressing it again to turn it off, or using the key fob to lock and then unlock the car. If these resets don't work, especially after ensuring a good battery and clean sensors, a software update from a Honda dealer might be necessary to adjust sensor sensitivity. Remember that persistent issues might require professional assistance to avoid voiding any warranties.